Hey everyone, welcome back to AutoStream US. Today we're diving into a serious safety recall. Hyundai is calling back roughly 85,000 Sonata sedans from model years 2020 to 2023. The issue? A defective purge control check valve that, here's how the problem develops. The purge control system is designed to manage fuel vapors, but if the check valve wears or fails, it can let compressed air from the turbocharger backflow into the fuel tank. Over time, this extra pressure can cause the plastic tank to swell. If that swelling isn't caught, the deformed tank can make contact with hot exhaust components. That contact is what raises the risk of melting fuel tank material and potentially a fuel leak. So far, Hyundai has documented 7 confirmed fires in the US and Canada. No injuries have been reported to date. Owners may notice several warning signs before things get dangerous. You might hear a popping noise from the rear of the car, smell fuel, see a check engine light, or even face trouble starting the engine. According to owners and technical documents, these symptoms should be taken seriously. They're not just random quirks. So, what is Hyundai doing about it? They're recalling the affected Sonatas and providing a multi-step fix. First, dealers will inspect and likely replace the purge control ins. Then, they'll insert free of charge for affected owners. If you're one of the affected drivers, here's what you should do. As soon as you receive Hyundai's recall notice, take your car to a certified dealership for the inspection. Even if you haven't experienced any warning signs, this should be treated proactively. And if you've already had related repairs, keep all your receipts. Hyundai plans to reimburse costs for past work linked to this issue. This recall also highlights a broader point about modern turbocharged engines and emission systems. Small components, like a check valve, can have big safety implications. When pressure management fails, the consequences aren't just about performance, but about real physical risk. Looking ahead, Hyundai's move to fix this problem through free inspections, part replacements, and ECU updates is a strong signal that the company takes the issue seriously. It's not just a technical compliance fix, it's a concrete response to a risk that could escalate if left unchecked. If you found this breakdown helpful, please subscribe to AutoStream US, hit the like button, and turn on notifications so you don't miss our next coverage. Recalls like this remind us just how critical maintenance and manufacturer support are, and we'll be here to keep tracking every update. Thanks for watching, and remember, if you hear that popping sound in your Sonata, don't ignore it. Better safe than sorry.